1. Daily cleaning and hygiene. Take a shower regularly. Cleanse your skin using soap or shower gel to prevent sweat and body odor. Wash areas that tend to sweat thoroughly, especially underarms, feet, and the groin area. Wash your hair regularly, too, as hair can also cause bad odors. Also, make sure you wash everything while taking a shower. Also, prevent sweating and bad odors by using deodorant or antiperspirant after getting out of the shower. Deodorant is used to mask bad odors, while antiperspirant reduces sweating. Choose a product that suits your needs. 2. Clothes. It is important to wear clean clothes. Sweat odor can permeate clothes, so wash your clothes regularly. You can make your clothes smell nice by using laundry detergent and softener. Especially do not forget to change your underwear every day. Also, keep your clothes in a clean and spacious environment. You can make your closet smell pleasant by using lavender bags or naturally scented soaps. 3. Perfume. Perfume completes your personal image and becomes a part of your style. Choosing a perfume that suits you knows a way to reflect your individuality and taste. A unique scent leaves a lasting impression on people and makes them identify with you. Smelling nice increases your attractiveness, makes women feel good, and makes you feel confident to them. Using perfume, especially before important meetings, gatherings, or social events, helps you feel better and spread more positive energy.